Watch. Hey, Margaret, it says watch for familiar shapes in the rocks. All right. Yeah. All right. Keep coming.
Estela, no se adelante ya. Estela, no se adelante.
Okay. Then get in line and have a turn.
Where's Raymond?
All right, get up there and do it, girl. Put your hand in there, Margaret. That's cool. All right, girls.
Hey, y'all smile for me. Oh, and smile.
Margaret, look. Stand right here and wave. It's waving back at you. All right, let's keep walking. Come on, Owen. Oh, Margaret, look, there's a wet path and a dry path. Margaret, you just stepped in a big puddle, girl. All right, now look. Hold out your arm. All right, let's keep walking. Hey, honey. Those look so good on you. Yeah, Margaret. Follow me. Hey, you're gonna get wet. You mean you don't have to get wet? Look. You're fine, buddy. Okay. You're fine. Sorry. That's cool. Alright. You can keep walking with Mama now. You walk through. Hey Marie, do you know who I see?
No, Maddie.
It's a pee-pee.
We're going to do the drive.
Alright.
Huh? We're going to do the drive. Walkway.
Or do you want your picture in front of the teacher? We left it. We gotta get up there and get a walk for it. Do what? Oh yeah, let's do that. Margaret, come down here. Oh, but I don't have to. Yeah, do it. No, I don't. Margaret. Right here. Right here.
All right, this way. Oh, right here, Margaret.
All right. Face me, girl. Margaret. Face me.
Put your glasses. Okay, put your glasses on.
Look at me.
There you go.
We might have to come back over here with the cards. All right. Let's keep moving. Hey, keep moving. So let's keep moving.
Find Zach.
Margaret.
I think I could sit here and listen to this all day.
All right, let's keep going, girl. Oh, y'all wait. Hold on. Hold on.
All right,
Margaret, come here. You got him, Lauren? Okay. Look, the water's shooting over us. You see that? Margaret, look, the water shoots over us. Ah, that's so cool. All right, hold on. Margaret. Go stand on one of these. And it says, raise your hands. Oh, look. Woo. Whoosh. Nice. Whoa. That was cool. Whoosh. Do it again. Here, let's see if I can help. All right, girl. Let's keep coming this way. Margaret. Jump to send water back to the sky. Whoa! Margaret! Ah! It's getting me! Come on, girl! Margaret, right here. All right. Let's not do that one right now. We don't have a change of clothes for that. Ooh, let's see what. Hi, Mark.
China দেখো নিচে থেকে মিস করে যাচ্ছে China এখানে দেখো
Go for it.
Go get Misty.
All right, here we go. Well, that was pretty neat, wasn't it, girl? Right this way.